Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable mail notifications on a MacBook. So if you just straight up don't want to receive notifications every time you have incoming mail, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do just that. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by left clicking on the System Preferences button down in our System dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select where it says Notifications, and then select the Mail app, and then just disable all notifications for the Mail app. Just go ahead and left click on the Allow Notifications button for that, and there you go, guys. Simple as that. And if you decide you want to re-enable them at some point in the future, it's simple. It's just left clicking inside the oval one time to turn it back blue, meaning that it is turned on, and it will allow notifications. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.